It's time!
What if Sun suddenly became half its size?
Then I would play basketball with it.
Firstly, there would be no need of freezers or air conditioners anymore. Everything on Earth would completely freeze. Secondly, assuming that Earth is still orbiting at the same distance, Earth will find itself out of the habitable zone of the Sun, thus slowly but surely wiping out all life on it. Thirdly, stocks of solar energy companies would completely tank as extremely less sunlight will reach Earth's surface. Fourthly, as there would be extreme scarcity of sunlight, plants in order to perform photosynthesis would probably turn blackish or darkish green in order to absorb as much incident sunlight as possible. Lastly, as Sun's gravitational pull would greatly reduce, outer planets of the solar system, namely Uranus and Neptune, may drift away into space. What if Jupiter never existed?
No problem. I will give company to Saturn, Jupiter's lonely neighbor.
As per Roman mythology, Jupiter is the god of thunder, lightning, and storms. It is the largest planet in our solar system, and its mass is about 2.5 times the total combined weight of all the other planets in our solar system. Now, if Jupiter would have never existed, it is safe to say that even we would not have existed. Why? Because some scientists believe that during the initial stages of the formation of our solar system, Jupiter's inward migration towards the Sun and then subsequent outward migration away from the Sun and towards Saturn played a vital role in the formation of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Also, since ages, Jupiter has been protecting Earth from collisions with large asteroids and comets. Lastly, more than 70 moons of Jupiter would have wandered along the solar system as orphans. What if the moon disappeared?
The Great will start shining and take its place.
Firstly, our nights would definitely be darker. Due to this, night predators like owls would find it very difficult to hunt at night. But this would be great news for stargazers as there is no interference from moonlight. Secondly, as the moon's gravity is no longer there to hold the Earth, it would rotate faster and thus our days will be much shorter than 24 hours. Craters on Moon are a proof that it has protected Earth from thousands of asteroids and comets. This no longer will be the case. With the Moon missing, tides in our oceans will be much smaller as only Sun will slightly influence them. Changing tides will also influence the global weather patterns. Finally, Moon's disappearance might tilt Earth's axis drastically, causing extreme changes in seasons and climate. What if the Sun disappeared?
We would need a lot of flashlights.
No. The Sun's enormous mass and gravitational power locks the planets in their orbits. If the Sun disappeared, the Earth would fly off in a straight line into space. Earth would collapse into darkness only after 8 minutes, as sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Moon would disappear as it doesn't produce light of its own. Plants would die, as no sunlight means no photosynthesis. Within a week, Earth's temperature would drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, dropping to -100 degrees Fahrenheit within a year, making it impossible for us to survive. Ocean surfaces would freeze, however. Water in the interior would stay liquid, due to heat from the Earth's core. Only microorganisms who don't require photosynthesis would survive by converting core's heat into the energy they need. Thus, without the Sun, humans wouldn't exist.